So children, again I am showing you here the process of crossing over. These are the two homologous chromosomes are shown by different colors. Okay, and the process of crossing over in the pachythene of meiosis 1 of prophase 1 is shown here. These are the genes A, B and this AB and small AB and AB. That means these are homologous chromosomes. And this is the point of crossing that is called as chiasmata. Once the cross takes place, after terminalization of chiasmata, this result will appear. This is non-crossover, it is coming here and this will join with this. So like this recombination will form. And this is non-crossover here and this recombination will form when these two segments of chromosome will join together. So here you can see that this is non-crossover, but here one gene of the one chromosome has crossed with the other, and that means interchange of the segments has taken place here also and here also. So the result will be like this. Here the centromere is shown like this. So these two chromatids are attached with centromere. These two chromatids are attached with centromere after meiosis 1. But after meiosis 2, these chromatid will also get separate and the 4 chromosomes will be separated. That means all 4 types of gametes will be formed. This I have told you many times in the process of reproduction, spermatogenesis, oogenesis, and in previous videos also. So this is one gamete and this is another, this is third and this is fourth. It can be compared with the gametes of the dihybrid cross. Here you can see that this is parental combination, this is parental combination. Means 50% parental combination and these two are recombination, means 50% recombination. So this is the result of the crossing over. I have here taken the symbolically. This can be compared with the gametes of the dihybrid cross. यहाँ पर भी ये gametes ही बने हैं. जिन gametes का नाम, इस gamete का नाम AB, 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 you can name them like this. Okay. तो these I have written here. ये वाला AB gamete जो है dihybrid cross के इस YR gamete से compare हो सकता है. This AB can be compared with this and this AB can compare with this and this can be compared with this. यानी कि अब आपको ये चीज बिल्कुल क्लियर होना चाहिए कि the result of that means the gamete of the dihybrid cross are possible only when the crossing over will take place. यानी these gametes are the result of the crossing over. This independent assortment is shown only when the crossing over has taken place. If there is no crossing over, then this type of result will not appear. Okay, this is one thing, and now I am starting the linkage in the next video.